How to activate your Instacart Shopper payment card. To activate your Instacart Shopper payment card, what you can do for this is just launch the Instacart app, and you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen right here. So you can see the profile icon here, just tap on it. Then go to the top option that says settings. Now from here, you'll find payment methods like debit, credit, PayPal and more. So you can tap on that. And here you can see a couple of options. So if you want to activate your Insta Shopper payment card, you have to add it as a normal card. So you can tap on this little add button that you can see. Then you can choose and type in your card details right there. Or you can also scan the card. So enter the card number, expiration date, month and the year, the CVC and the zip code. And this is the way on how you can activate your Instacart Shopper payment card. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.